Look at this channel's videos. They look just like Minecraft. They are amazing, my friends. So great and impressive. This TikTok channel was recently created. They have uploaded only about 30 videos and they already got monetized. My friends, this channel's name is MC ChillZ. This channel has 10.2k followers and 57.1k likes. Almost all videos have thousands of views. No video has low views. Every video gets high views because people love this type of content. Kids love Minecraft games, and not only kids, young and even older people also enjoy these types of videos. Now, look at this video. This video is created by me. It looks super cool, my friends. Very nice, just like the MC ChillZ TikTok channel. Some people asked, is this monetized or not? Now look, my friends, this is the proof. This channel earns up to $20 per video from ads. In total, they earn thousands of dollars. They have 309 videos and 57.4k likes. Now look, my friends, this is another platform. On this platform, you can also see that this channel is monetized. Today, my friends, we will use a professional all-in-one AI tool. This tool can generate images and videos, it has a built-in editor, and it also provides voiceover. So don't skip this video. Let's go! Now first, we will create AI image prompts and video prompts. We will use the free version of ChatGPT, my friends. There is no need for a paid version. Now, simply go back to the TikTok channel and look at the character thumbnail, or take a clear screenshot. Then come back to ChatGPT, upload the image, and ask this. I want the same Minecraft-style character image prompts. Please create the same character in all image prompts and give me 10 image prompts. Now, ChatGPT will first give you 10 high-detail image prompts with a consistent character. My friends, look. Our image prompts are ready. Then ask ChatGPT this. Please also give me video prompts. This time, ChatGPT will give you the top 10 video prompts. Now we can generate image prompts and video prompts using ChatGPT. Now friends, it's time to review the tool. First, I have given the link in the description. Go to Hitpaw Edimakor. Today, we will use this AI tool to generate images and videos, and also edit them. Now look at the interface. It looks super cool and modern. On the top side, you can see the video editor. This software is available for Windows and Mac OS. It has many video editing features, my friends. You can reverse videos, add text to videos, and use beginner-friendly editing tools. In the AI section, you will find many powerful features like AI avatar, image to video, talking photo, singing photo, AI image generator, watermark remover, text to video, video translator, video animation, image to prompt, and many more tools. My friends, there are also text tools and audio tools available. Inside this tool, you can also find advanced AI features like AI dance, AI fight generator, and many other tools. Today, our focus is on image to video AI generator. Now, simply download this software. Click on Download Free and install it on your PC. It will also download some required resources. After installation, open the software on your PC. I have already opened it. First, my friends, log in using your Google ID. You will get some free credits to generate videos and images. I have already logged in, and the software looks super nice. On the left side, you can create projects, templates, and access the toolbox. On the main screen, you can see features like AI avatar, face swap, AI video generator, watermark remover, text-to-speech, and more. On the right side, at the top, you can also see the AI video generator. When you scroll down, you will find many different templates, my friends, like music videos, city scenes, framework videos, kiss videos, hug videos, street dance, and many more. Now, let's explore all these tools step by step. First, go to the image section, and then click on Text to Image. Now you can see that the image generator is open. First of all, select the model. Here you can see models like Google Nanobana, Seedream 4.0, and Google Nano Banner Pro. Now we will use all these tools to generate images, but first we will start with Nano Banner Pro. Select it. Now, simply go to ChatGPT. First, copy the main character prompt, then come back and paste it into the box. Then again, go to ChatGPT, copy the main image prompt, and paste it into Hitpaw Edimakor. Now select the resolution, 2K or 4K. Then select the image ratio, like 9:16 or 16:9. Select the output format, and then click on Generate. Now look, our generation has started. Wait for a few seconds, and boom, our image is ready. Look at it. It looks super cool and amazing, my friends. Now next, we will use the Seedream model. Simply select the model. Again, go to ChatGPT, copy the main character prompt and the main image prompt and paste them together in the box. Select the ratio and resolution. Now the generation starts again. Wait, my friends, and boom, it looks super nice and amazing. Now next, we will use the Nano Banner model. The process is the same as before. Now generate all images using all the models. When all images are ready, simply save them. But you don't even need to save them manually because they are already saved on your PC automatically. Now it's time to generate AI videos. My friends, simply click on any image. On the right side, you will see the AI video generator option. Just click on it. Now select the video ratio. First, select the video model. You can see many models here, like Google Veo 3, Sora 2, Kling 2.6, Kling 0.1, Hailuo 2, and more. First, we will generate a video using Google Veo 3. Simply click on it. Now go to ChatGPT. Copy the main video prompt, then come back to Hitpaw and paste the prompt in the box. Then select the duration, for example, 8 seconds. Select the resolution up to 1080p. Also select the video ratio and output quality. Now simply click on Generate Video. Wait for some time, my friends, only about 2 minutes. And boom, our first video is ready. Look at it. It looks super cool and amazing. Now, go back to the images again. Select the image. This time, we will use the Sora 2 model. The process is the same, my friends. Go to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, come back to Hitpaw, paste the prompt, select the resolution and duration, choose the output settings, and click on Generate Video. Now wait for some time. Next, generate videos using other models too, like Kling 2.6, One 2.6, and Hailuo AI. Generate all videos one by one. Just follow the same steps for every model. Now you can see all the video results. The first video is created with Veo 3, the second video with Sora 2, the third video with Kling 2.6, and the next one with One 2.6. Now, my friends, all our videos are ready. Now it's time to edit all the videos using the Hitpaw editor. My friends, add all the videos to the timeline in Hitpaw. In this video editor, you will find many features like transitions, video effects, auto actions, and many other assets. You also get templates, text styles, and animations. Add some transitions, like black fade or any other style you like. This editor also has sound effects, so you can add different sound effects to your videos. Now, my friends, add some video effects to make your videos more attractive. When all the videos are ready, simply export the final video in 4K resolution. Now look, my friends, our video is ready. It looks super cool and amazing. It looks so professional and beautiful. I love it. My friends, with Hitpaw, you can enhance images and videos and also edit them easily. This is an all-in-one AI tool. Now friends, it's time to finish. Go to Hitpaw Edimakor, download the software, install it on your PC, and start creating images and videos. And yes, my friends, you can also get a 20% discount. So go and upgrade your account, create amazing content, and go viral. See you in the next video.